We are the leading steel fabrication and mechanical engineering company in Lahore, Pakistan. With years of experience and expertise, we specialize in the fabrication of pedestrian bridges, highway guardrails, telecom towers, solar panels, and much more. Our team of professional engineers and fabricators is dedicated to delivering high-quality, durable, and innovative steel fabrication solutions. We utilize the latest technology and state-of-the-art equipment to ensure precision and efficiency in every project we undertake. We take pride in our ability to provide cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Our commitment to excellence has earned us a trusted reputation in the industry, and we continue to uphold our standards of professionalism, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Contact us today to discuss your project needs and discover how we can bring your vision to life.